Hello, my friends, welcome back to our channel. In my search for spiritual awakening, I came across a fascinating book that I want to share with you today. I'm talking about the Kybalion. This text contains such powerful wisdom that it was kept hidden, accessible only to initiates. This book is more than just a collection of 7 principles, it serves as a bridge between the past and the present, transmitting a legacy of profound wisdom. Join me on this journey to discover how these principles can transform our view of the world and ourselves. 1. The principle of mentalism. The all is mind, the universe is mental. This principle tells us that everything, before it exists, begins as an idea in our mind. What we think determines our reality. We are exactly what we think, and we can only create what we have first imagined. In a way, everything that happens to us is something we have chosen. We live in a universe that always says yes to everything we choose to believe. That's why there is so much talk about beliefs or patterns that each of us has. But what are beliefs and patterns? Did you know that your beliefs can be changed? We can replace negative thoughts with positive ones and live a more satisfying life because our subconscious mind accepts and operates based on what we believe. Most of our beliefs are formed by what our family believes, the society we live in, the educational institutions we attend, and the religion we practice. This means that the vast majority of these ideas are not ours. There's also the significant influence of the media, advertising, and social networks telling us what we should like or how we should be. But the most important thing is that all of this stored in our unconscious mind can be changed. We can create new thoughts, accept new ideas, and design a much better future. Therefore, by changing our thoughts and improving our vibration, we improve our lives. 2. The principle of correspondence. As above, so below, as below, so above. This principle teaches us that what happens in our outer world reflects what is happening inside us. Understanding this principle helps us see why we attract negative or unfavorable situations and how to solve them. You should know that while it's easier to blame someone or something for our unhappiness, doing so deprives us of the opportunity to change and grow. Everything around us that causes dissatisfaction or pain is reminding us that there is a wound that needs healing. Everything, absolutely everything in the universe, is interconnected. And knowing one part allows us to understand the whole. For example, a disorganized person reflects internal disorder, while someone extremely organized might be demonstrating mental rigidity. Do you regularly get rid of objects that you no longer use or that don't work, making space for the new? Keeping useless things ties you to the past and memories, preventing change. This also applies to our beliefs. Have you heard of detachment? Only keep what is useful and positive because what we carry within us attracts situations and people. Each situation we encounter is an opportunity to ask ourselves, what does this mean in my life? This way, you can identify and change limiting beliefs. 3. The principle of vibration. Nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates. Just as everything in the universe is in constant motion and transformation, our personal life is also in continuous change, and crises occur when we resist these changes. When we cling to an idea or situation that no longer serves us, the universe will push us to move. Quantum physics has shown that our bodies constantly exchange atoms with the environment. This affects our vibration. Places with positive vibrations, like nature, can renew and heal our body, while places with negative vibrations can make us feel unwell. We cannot change others, but we can change ourselves. 4. The principle of polarity: everything is dual, everything has poles, everything has its pair of opposites. The human mind perceives the world through opposing dualities such as hot cold, life death, masculine feminine, which are extremes of the same essence. Other cultures consider these pairs as complementary, like yin and yang. The challenge is to find balance between these poles to achieve peace. This principle teaches us that pain and pleasure are necessary extremes for a complete life. To harmonize opposites, we need to change our perception and keep an open mind. Learning from others, even if we think differently, enriches us. Each person has something valuable to teach. The polarity of giving and receiving is key. We must be open to what the universe offers us. Disappointments teach us that we are not ready to receive. Impatience is resistance to change. Everything in the universe has its gestation time. Changing means planting a seed in our consciousness which needs time and care to grow. Living in the present as if our desires were already reality helps us achieve our goals. Moving from one pole to another may seem catastrophic, but problems are opportunities to heal and correct. Free will allows us to choose our thoughts and react to conflicts with an attitude of learning and growth. 5. The principle of rhythm: everything flows out and in, everything has its tides. All things rise and fall, the pendulum swing manifests in everything. The measure of the swing to the right is the measure of the swing to the left, rhythm compensates. This principle states that everything in the universe is in constant movement of advancement and retreat. This pattern has been confirmed by scientists observing the evolution of planets and stars. In life, this rhythm manifests through cycles of birth, growth, development, and death, which repeat continuously. The same rhythm affects our emotions and thoughts, making periods of joy and satisfaction follow moments of sadness or pain. Mastering this principle helps us maintain emotional balance, taking advantage of the good times and preparing for changes. 6. The principle of cause and effect: every cause has its effect, every effect has its cause. Everything happens according to law. Chance is but a name for law not recognized. There are many planes of causation, but nothing escapes the law. Everything we experience in the present is a consequence of past actions, whether conscious or unconscious. This principle explains that when we generate something negative, the causes may have originated in our childhood or in past lives. We receive influences from our ancestors, society, religion, education, work, friends, all of which generate mental patterns or beliefs. Here, it is essential to understand the concepts of karma and dharma. Every thought or action we initiate is a cause that will inevitably have its effect. Karma is the debt with our destiny, and dharma is the reward for our good actions. The good we do comes back to us multiplied, just like the bad. To change our life, we must generate appropriate causes, which involves changing something in ourselves. Doing the same things will always give us the same results. We must start by changing our thoughts. 7. The principle of generation: gender is in everything. Everything has its masculine and feminine principles. Gender manifests on all planes. The principle of generation focuses on creativity. The combination of masculine and feminine energies is fundamental to the manifestation of new things. These energies complement each other, attracting to our lives people with the polarity we are missing. Our goal is to learn to harmonize these opposites, finding balance. People oriented to action, where masculine energy predominates, may need more imagination, which is feminine energy. When a desire doesn't manifest, you must identify which energy you are missing. Action, masculine, or receptivity, feminine. Everything already exists in the universe. Creativity is simply reorganizing what we already know, accessing the field of infinite possibilities. Humans have about 60,000 thoughts a day, mostly negative. Only those that become beliefs materialize. Hence, the importance of selecting and changing our thoughts. To close the topic, we can say these principles teach us that everything is interconnected and in constant motion. By integrating these principles into our daily lives, we not only expand our consciousness but also become co creators of a more harmonious and fulfilling reality. Always remember that the power to transform our lives is in our hands. Blessings. Type I am powerful in the comments. Continue learning. Watch this video now.